Picture this. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and you're about to head to work. But first you need to take your trash out. Then you notice a fire in your estate. Luckily for you, you have fire extinguishers and you just serviced them. But unfortunately, you do not know how to use your fire extinguishers. That's the reason we're here today, to teach you how to use a fire extinguisher. Knowing how to use a fire extinguisher can be the difference between saving a life and losing a life, saving your valuables or losing your valuables. All I need you to do is remember this acronym, PASS, PASS. Pull the pin of your fire extinguisher, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the lever of your fire extinguisher, and sweep in a left to right motion while squeezing the lever until the fire is out. Once again, it's PASS, pass. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the lever, and sweep.